How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and today I want to show you this great dash cam. 2K high definition HDR video, voice control, and Wi-Fi, supports 2.4 and 5 GHz. I'm going to show you all the details right now. Perfect. So I show you not exactly what we get out of the box. Let's start with the simple things. So we have the USB type A to C, cable USB type A to C. That's the one you're going to put through the windshield to your cigarette lighter, and it comes with the cigarette lighter adapter USB with an extra port. So it's great there. Now the installation tool. Now that's to install the camera in the windshield, and full instruction is super easy to follow. All right, so let's check the high definition 2K and dash cam. So first we look in the back. This is the part you're going to put in the windshield. This is the GPS. Length 140 degrees. Yes, 2K HDR. You can adjust it with the best position you need. Make sure you can see from your car, or I would say the beginning of the car. If we look at right in the side, so we have the USB input, and the memory supports up to 256 GB. So in this case, I just got what the company recommends. It's 250 GB, higher endurance memory. And make sure to keep it up with the good speed to be able to record a high definition video. So we're going to be installing the memory, 256, right into that. Simple as that. So looking this way, so we have the screen and to be able to navigate. Now the next thing with this, because it's Wi-Fi, we can control it right from your phone. The full configuration, I'll show you this right now. The way the dash cam works is pretty simple. Turn on the car, starts recording, turn off the car, it stops recording. Now let's turn on the Wi-Fi. This camera has a voice prompt and voice command. We're going to go this way. Turn on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi enabled. See, it's pretty simple. Voice control. So now we have a live feed right in my phone. You can see that right there. Now for the configuration, this is the best way to do it. Stop recording. Now that's what I want to show you this way, because you can see it's much better doing right from your phone, because the camera is Wi-Fi. So when you connect it, now you can just configure the way you want it. You can see everything can be configured through this camera, from voice prompt, from voice command. There's a lot of things we can change. Wi-Fi, the way you record, and format the memory card, and do all those things. Turn on HDR. There is a lot of information we can control right from your phone. Let's go to my car and let's do a test drive. So if you saw the video, great camera, high definition 2K. When we test during the day, you can see the video has a great resolution, and at night it's super clear. You get GPS information, Wi-Fi, and the voice control. Great dash cam.